Hello everyone. So yeah, after the last episode it took a while to get back on the track. So yeah, in this episode I'm going to implement this. Now I can enter the cover and move in the cover, and then if I press C again, the character will again exit from the cover like this. So the character can move as usual. If I press C again, character will take cover again like this. So those are the two things. That's what I am going to cover today. And this episode is sponsored by these two generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so this is where we stopped. When I press C here, character goes here and stick with the wall and move along the wall like this. But still this character does not recognize the end of the wall. He keep moving like this even after the wall is no more. So let's see how to fix that. Okay, now right, let's open our character scripts. And yeah, this is character movement. Okay, if we are in cover, translation is like this, otherwise translation is like this. So okay, now we should, right now, to avoid that behavior, uh, we should continuously test if there is an active cover uh, behind the player's back. But first, if there is no cover, then I should implement a way to exit from cover. So at the moment I have only implemented this take cover. So let's see where we call this. Right here, when we press C, I call this take cover. And alright, so let's do something like this. Instead of take cover, let's rename this to, how can I rename this? Toggle cover. Right, now we have this in cover variable. Right, now we should do this if character moment, oh wait, character moment in cover is true. Wait, alright, in cover is true, then we should exit cover, otherwise we should enter the cover. That means this part. So this is this else here, wait, this is where we enter cover, and this is where we exit cover like this. Now how to exit cover? We have this here. Let's add a variable. Enable or disable cover. Right, now this should be true, and here cover false. This should be false. Right, let's test. Okay, now if I press C again, character exit cover, like that. If I press C again, it didn't go back. Oh wait, right, not just that, we have to do some other stuff as well. Alright, I have to do these changes as well. So orient to movement should be true and in cover should be false, like this. Alright, now it should work. Let's see. Okay, alright, I can enter and exit. Now I can move like this as normal, and I can enter the cover again. And exit. Alright, so in the next episode I'll cover how to detect the edges of the wall and how to avoid going away from the wall, where if I try to go away from the wall, the character will be exit from the cover. Okay, and the project file update will be available through the Patreon page. Feel free to check that as well, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.